you guys gotta do is say, "Oh yeah." So here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Right about now, it gives me great pleasure to introduce the sponsors. Starting off with G and Jaime Katak. Once again, these are the Ninongs and Ninangs, also known as godparents, also known as sponsors. Give it up for Anthony and Anna Guevara! Put your hands together for Dennis and Arlene Soller. Dennis and Arlene Soller. All right, they're not here. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause for Ray Schneider and Lynn Schneider. Aquino Dihing. This is Edwin and Nida Tulapot. And Virgie Tulio. Come on, y'all, make some noise. We got one more. Everybody, please welcome Dr. Cheryl, the Six Show. To introduce our wedding party! Everybody, please welcome Allison, Kevin, and Topher! Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause for Emily and David? I need everybody to get those napkins in front of you. Get those napkins in front of you right now. Get those napkins in front of you. And I want you to stand up. I want you to stand up. And I want you to wave those napkins in the air. And just wave it like you just don't care. Because right about now, it gives me great pleasure to introduce our newlyweds. Give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Halili! Man, somebody say, yeah.
I will not take it off. Whoever that is, no. I want to say thank you guys for coming. A lot of you traveled from very far places. We got Minnesota, Boston, Maryland, Virginia, Georgia, Philippines, Elk Grove? Were you the one that told me to take it off? Okay. No, but seriously though, I do want to thank you guys for coming. It's very emotional that you guys all took your time off to be here. I know the weather was very unpredictable, but we made it work. And you guys are it, man. Like you guys, man, this is, wow. So let me take it in real quick. Damn, I am not gonna cry. I cried too much already, and my hands were shaking too. So I want to be able to give the mic to my beautiful wife. Yeah! That sounds weird. To my beautiful wife.
I really have nothing to say, but thank you all for coming. I hope you guys have fun, drink a lot, have fun, dance a lot, and yeah, I can't wait to see what everybody has to show us today. On the dance floor.
Thank you guys.
Bring the beat in.
Alright, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna start.
Before life removed all the innocence, my Father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me. And I knew for sure I would love if I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him. I'd play a song that would never, never end. How I love, love, love to dance with my Father again. When I and my mother would disagree to get my way.
Everybody put your hands together once again. That was a special surprise right there. Alright. Dollar bill. A Hawaiian dollar bill. I got a question. Where's Hawaii? Where's Hawaii? Hawaii is part of what? Hawaii is part of what? You know what I'm looking for. There you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. Just a regular dollar bill. I said a Hawaiian dollar bill. Just a regular dollar bill, bro. That's it. A regular dollar bill. Sit down. Sit down. No. Dollar bill. You need a dollar. Go ask somebody. Hurry up. Hurry up. We got one more chair. Hurry up. We got three more chairs. 3 more chairs. Let's go. Let's go. Sit down. Dollar. A dollar, bro. A dollar. Come on. Can somebody help him out? There you go. Help him out. Come on. Let's go. We got 2 more chairs. 2 more chairs left. 2 more chairs. 1. There you go. Hurry up, hurry up. Oh! You see what happened, bro? You see what happened? You see what happened? You walked up here like you were like, yeah, I got this. I got it. See, he swooped up on you, man. He swooped up on you. All right, let's make sure you guys got that dollar. Let me see it. Dollar bill. Dollar. You got some dollar? All right, yeah. Where's that pole at? All right, perfect. All right, do me a favor. Go give it back. Go give it back. Now let's go ahead and take away 1 chair. So we should have 8 people up here right All right. Are you ready? We should have 8 of you guys. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. All right, stand up, stand up. So we missed, no, put it back. So right now, it's the next round. Listen up. The next item that I want you to bring back, this is a special request from Justin. We're looking for a pair of shoes. Not yours, someone else's. Someone else's. Let's go. Pair of shoes, someone else's. 2 of them. Let's go, a pair. We got 1 more chair, hurry up. 2 more chairs. 2 more chairs, hurry up. Oh. Man, I smell something. Something smelly right now. All right, let's see. I said a pair of shoes. All right, wow, look at that. That's a big, what shoes are those, man? What's up? All right. All right, yeah. Oh, that's somebody swagging tonight, yes. Get the pair of shoes, yes. Pair of shoes, yeah, all right. Something smells sour right now. Okay, all right, get back the shoes. Let's take away 1 chair. Let's take away 1 chair. Come on back. Come on back. We should have 7 of you guys. 7 of you, 7 of you, 7 of you. Ready? On your mark. All right, the next item that I want you to bring back, listen very carefully. Bring back a man's belt. A man's belt, not yours, someone else's. Someone else's. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. 1 more, 2, 3. Oh! That's it. That's it. There it is. Sorry about that. Filipino time. That was Filipino time right there. All right, let's see the belt. Man, I don't know about you guys, man. Back in the days. All right, okay. All right, go get back the belts. Take away 1 chair. Take away 1 chair. All right. Are you guys ready? We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of you guys. Stand up, stand up, stand up. 6 of you. All right, here we go. Next object. I want you to bring me back a photo with Justin and Kia. A photo with Justin and Kia. Show it to me. Hurry up. A photo with the bride and groom. You gotta take it with them. You gotta take it with them. You gotta take it with them. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's see. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, that's nice. Yes. Wow, you got it. Yeah. Oh man, that looks good. Look at that. All right. Perfect. 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 All right, let's give it up, y'all. Let's give it up. Let's give a big round of applause for so far. All right, take away 1 chair. Take away 1 chair. All right. Are you ready? On your mark. Get set. The next item that I want you to bring back something sparkly. Something sparkly. Something that's sparkly. Something sparkly. Anything sparkly. Hurry up. Hurry up. Something sparkly. We got 1 more chair. Hurry up. 2 more chairs. Hurry up. Something sparkly. There it is. There it is. All right, let's see what you got. Oh, you got, is that Tita's? Did you get it from Mama over there? Okay, somebody, all right. Oh, look at that. That's a, show everybody, show everybody. Oh, we got that sparkling purse, y'all. You got a sparkling diamond ring? Oh, let's give it up for our sparkling groom. Sparkling groom, everybody. All right, stand up, go give it back. Take away 1 chair. We should have 4 of you guys, 4 of you guys. All right, here we go. The next item that I want you to bring me back is not just any glasses. I'm looking for a pair of sunglasses. Sunglasses. 1, let's go. 2, hurry up, hurry up. 2, 3. Oh, too late. Too late. This guy, he got you, he got you. He beat you by 1 second. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our final 3 right here. Let's give it up for our final 3. All right. Okay. Go ahead, put those sunglasses back. All right. All right. Here we go. Are we ready for the next object? Say yeah. Say oh yeah. Bring back. I want you to bring back Justin and Kia's mom. Mom, hurry up. Hurry up. Bring them over here. job, Justin.
Rochambeau. Paper, rock, scissors, both of you. Matt and Max. Rochambeau. Okay, don't put our parents back.
All right, y'all. That was a tie. They had to do that. Was that rock, paper, scissors? Is that what you guys did? Right? All right, good job. How you doing, man? What's up, bro? What's your name, man? What's your name? Matt? Any Matt fans? What's up, bro? What's your name, man? Kevin. Kevin. Any Kevin fans? Hey, all right. So here we go. We are down to the final. This is the final, y'all. This is the final right now. This is the final. Are you guys ready? Say yeah! Say oh yeah! Here we go. Last object of the night. This is the Justin and Kia scavenger hunt. The last item that I want you to bring back to your chair. That's gonna be our winner, by the way, whoever brings it back. I am looking for toilet paper! Run! 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 Toilet paper! Toilet paper! Here they come. Get ready. They're gonna be running through. Get ready. Are you ready? Here! Let's give both of them a prize, brother. They're both winners. Let's give them a big round of applause. Y'all make some noise. for the money dance. Last chance, last song for the money dance. Come on up, y'all. If you haven't danced with Justin or Kia, come on up. Come on up. Let's go. Let's go. Gente on. Justin and Kia. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What's going on, Dad? What's going on? Dad just gave Justin his wallet. All right, take your time, girl. In the meantime, the ladies will be dancing right now. Go, ladies, dance. We got here tonight. Is this all the single ladies? Do we have any married ladies that wish they were single? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Are you ready? I said, ladies, are you ready? All the single ladies in the hand. All right, hold up, Kia, hold up. Hold up, hold up, wait a minute. Not yet. The question is right now, is this all the single ladies we got here tonight? Is this all the single ladies? All right, here we go. Ladies, on the count of 3, Kia is gonna throw that bouquet. All right, here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 2.5. Are you ready, Kia? Here we go. Somebody said, use your no hands? Is that what you said? All right, Justin, you ready? Let's go. Everybody give it up for Justin, y'all. Give it up for Justin. All right, do me a favor, Kia. Stand up and step to the side. Right now, we need all the single, non-married, no ring on the finger, all the single guys, please report to the dance floor. On the count of 3, I want you to throw it up, Justin. Are you ready? Here we go, fellas. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Everybody give it up for the fathers.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd dance all that would never end. How I'd love to dance with my father again. When I and my mother disagree to get my way.
Everybody put your hands together once again.
I've known Kia for 10 years, so we're best friends and we grew up together. It took me a long time to be able to write this, and I had a lot on my mind, but I cannot put it to words. So if this is disorganized, then bear with me. But here's my letter to you. Dear Gia, words can't explain how full my heart is. To stand here today as your midwife, to see you in your beautiful dress at your dream wedding. From the moment I met you, I knew you were going to be my best friend.
Nữ nơi yêu nữ rong đã có thiệt cuối trong trong rồi à rong kỳ thiệt can đi chúa lý cho đôi chân tôi kỹ có cô luôn gì nhớ tay tôi luôn nên che rong ở lúc xe nữ nói tao yêu tình cơ nữ nói yêu nữ cả thôi à rong đã sẽ xa yuan ba ôi à rong có lưu ninh thơ bà gì gì lưu ninh tan đi có chính nhau hỏi xì tao lo xì sầu ôi ninh ý rau đâu tiền nó rong xế lưu nó tuôn đầu vòng đời cô ý xa yo có rong lưu xế tuôn cầu nhàn tớ có ý xa yo có tớ đơn đại kinh trở lời lưu nó yo lo xì thơ xì ba xì lưu có yo ý khu rong tình cơ rong xế lưu nó tuôn đầu vòng đời cô ý xa yo có rong lưu xế tuôn cầu nhàn tớ có ý xa yo có tớ đơn đại kinh trở